Previously on Banichka Studios' Pillow. And now, the continuation of our story.
After you gone, I left my babe. After you gone, that's no not yet, baby. You feel blue, or you feel sad, Mr. Davis. But the best, or the best, not a memory. There'll come time you regret it. There'll come a time I bet it. Baby, see what you do when my love you all drive me to the babe. After you gone, babe, after you gone away.
Our hero is now trying to tame the cat, but you can see the cat is running away. The cat does not seem to like our Tommy Wasoki.
I did not hit her. It's not true. It's bullshit. I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, I touched her. I gave you 7 years of my life. Treat you like a princess. And you stab me in the back. I did anything just to please you. And now you betray me. How could you love him? Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Hello, is anybody there? Hello? Holy shit! Is this a fucking prank? I'll kill you! I'm coming for you, bastard! I'm going to take a piece. Where this little bastard? Let's see. Here you are! Don't worry about that! It's a fucking prank! I'll take that! You little motherfucker! I'll teach you not to prank me! Just a prank, bro! Just a prank!
We'll see about that.
Time to take that! Don't worry That's how we do business. Okay, okay. Just a bit more. Okay, okay.
I'm going in. Yeah. I'll just straight.
Hello, hello.